So Monkey Hypo. Today we're going to be sewing. Hi Monkey Hypo. Today we're going to be sewing all of these. Some of these says not to sew at this time, but I'm going to give them a try anyway. We have, just get this camera straight if I can. Chives, lemon balm, oregano, coriander, mint, basil, and I'm going to try growing some winter tomatoes. So all these 7 items off in just one tray. Try and save some space because I'll soon run out this year. So all in that tray. I'm using some old peat-based compost. This is old potting compost. So using that. So we'll get on with it, shall we? We'll get this filled up first. Hope everybody's keeping all right. And please watch to the end of the video. And if you like, please give me a like and please comment. I really do appreciate it. It really does help my channel. Thank you very much. So yeah, we'll get this filled up first. Get it patted down. And then we'll get cracking. That's that filled. All I'm going to do now is just get my little homemade flattener, dibber. Get it all levelled out so you get nice even sower seeds then. Always prefer doing it like this. You can see what you're doing, where you're sowing. First of all, we'll get these some chives. All these herbs are from Thompson & Morgan. They do a really good range of herbs, fruit, veg, that sort of thing. So yeah, I'm just gonna get the tags put all the way along so I know I've got enough room for everything. Lemon balm, oregano, coriander, mint, and basil. Call it basil in America, basil over here, like basil brush. I'll sew the tomatoes separately in one of my half trays. So yeah, like I said, all these average 700 seeds. I sowed some of these earlier on this year, or later on last year actually. So we shall get the seeds here. Chives. Show you. Hope everybody's keeping okay. There we go. Quite large seeds. But you don't want quite a few of these because snip, cut again herbs these. So it's great. I love cheese and chives. Perfect combination. Perfect on sandwiches. Really nice. Really strong oniony flavour. That's those sewn. Put the packet back away. Then we'll get onto the lemon balm. Always fill my packets back up, save them. You can use them again. What's this one say? Sewed by 2023. So these should be still okay, hopefully. They have been open. So these are lemon balm. Show the seeds on these in a second, folks. These are smaller seeds, as you can see, so I shall just sprinkle some of those down the middle. But doing it this way, when you're sowing a lot of flowers and a lot of herbs and spices, that sort of thing, you quickly run out of space. Even in my greenhouse, it's not massive, but it's not small either. So you soon run out of space. So by doing this, you save a hell of a lot of space. Pardon my language. So then we have oregano. This one's a brand new packet. This so much 2023. There's the instruction on the back there. You need any instruction of these, go on Thompson & Morgan's website, so just go on there and you'll find out all the information you need about these. I'll just get these open. Absolutely love oregano. Pizzas in tomato sauce, tastes absolutely divine. This is just an experiment because a lot of these not supposed to sow till later on in the year next year. But you don't try, you don't know, and it doesn't grow. That's what I say. Give it a try. What's the worst thing that can happen? What's the worst thing that can happen? It doesn't grow. That's the worst thing that can happen. Still got some seed to sow next year. Then we have coriander. That's a new packet. I'll just open that up. coriander, nice peppery herb. Really like it in soups, me. Really like it in soups. So this, make it over the top. Like so. There we go. You know what I'll do? Fill the packet over, coriander. Went for my Corona jab, top-up jab last week. Felt a little fluey for a few days, but well worth it. I've just got to go for my flu jab this week now, which I'm looking forward to. Last year when I had my flu jab, I felt lousy for about 2 weeks. But we must, the vulnerable in society, we're told, go and get jabbed. So I will be doing what I'm told. I don't want to catch anything and put my clogs at such a young age. Yeah, right. So here we go. Herb, mint, great. I only grow it in pots, mint, because it's such an invasive species. You get it spreads everywhere. I've had it in other properties where I lived. It's been an absolute nightmare. So yeah, really small seeds. You see, the mint, absolutely love it. Spearmint's one of my favourite mints actually. Now back outdoors. What's it? Outdoor sowing. So we'll see how that gets on. And finally, basil. Basil, the Americans call it basil. Another one that's great on pizzas. Absolutely love it. Basil. Sorry. Stick some down there. That's 6 seeds sown in 1 seed tray. So hopefully, that's a nice picture of that there. Hopefully they'll come on okay. What I'm going to do now is just sprinkle over the top a little bit of compost. Not loads, just a light covering. Some of these seeds probably don't need covering at all, but we're sowing it all in one lot. I'm going to do all a good covering. Then a little bit of water from the top, just to start dampening it down. And then all we're going to do then is put it into my heater propagator. And let's hope that we get some germination and some nice herbs in a few weeks. It'll be a few weeks longer before we can eat anything, but I'll just put you on pause a second. There we go, it's in my heater propagator. It's at 20.9 degrees. See that there? This has got water in the bottom, just so it soaks it from there. Nice lid on it. So we'll put the lid on, leave it to germinate and get back to you. If you've got any questions about anything growing in my monkey's greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. Like videos, please subscribe. And always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.